to tutorial page and download source file. Copy all this file to CircuitPy. Open Settings in Notepad. Replace it with your own SSID and password. Learning phase on HuskyLens. Follow this step. Enable log data. Open code file. Run the code. You can try to check in and check out. To see all recorded data, you need to reboot your EDU Pico. You will see CSV file name attendance log.